L is for liberation. Lavivid set me free to be myself. Happy 6th anniversary, Lavivid. Here's to many more.
A is for authenticity, and with Lavivid, I get to show up as my real self. Happy 6th anniversary, Lavivid, and here's to many, many more.
Happy birthday, Lavivid, on your 6th anniversary. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the love and best wishes.
I is for identity. Lavivid helped me recognize myself again. Happy 6th birthday, Lavivid. Here's to many more.
Happy 16th anniversary, Lavivid. Here's to more.
I is for inspiration. Hopefully my Lavivid journey will inspire yours. Happy 6th anniversary, Lavivid. Here's to many more.
D is for dream. I never thought hair could make such a difference. Lavivid made it real.